I've got to cut 24 2x6s, 24 foot long. So you end up with a 25-foot board about. You just can't turn a 25-foot board on a dime. And you can't turn a 25-foot log on a dime either. I got all these, I need them pine. I got all this darn oak in my way. I'm sure not going to cut that first, and I'm not going to roll them off just to put them back. Best thing to do would be to load the log from that side. But truth of the matter is, somebody's getting kind of slow on getting the slabs out the way. Who wants to talk about the truth anyway? So what you end up having to do, you have to end up push them in from that way. And it's not that hard. You can push, if you take your time, you can push a log. You just have to put, what I do is put a board down on the bunks. I don't push against the log and have a chance that it might hang up on one of the bunks, because that's a sure way to bend something. And then also, it's not going to push this mill. This mill's bolted down pretty good and kind of long. But if you got a short mill, you'll push the mill clean out to the road if it ever hangs up. So if you lay it down a piece of plywood, most time I use a piece of plywood, but I don't know where it's at. Or you can just use any kind of 1x 14 inches or something like that wide. You could slide a pretty good log on reasonably easy, which is what I'm having to do. I'm having to slide these things on just to cut them up, just because the slabs are in my way, just because the oak logs are in my way, and then all the boards are in my way. So you kind of got a plan for that, and you can tell I haven't.